Welcome back to Funny Quiz. Today, we've got an extremely fun challenge with 60 quiz questions. You have 3 seconds for each question. Don't get tricked. Let's get started. This looks like a piece of carved ivory, doesn't it? Narwhal. These claws look absolutely terrifying. Honey badger. You do not usually see colors like this on a face. Mandrill. These eyes look like they are straight out of a sci-fi movie. Mantis shrimp. A beautiful glow that comes with a deadly warning. Blue-ringed octopus. These eyelashes are definitely goals for a lot of people. Secretary bird. These ears look like they're picking up a signal from miles away. Serval. A very iconic pose in the sunset. Kookaburra. These bumps look like bright red gemstones. Red knobby starfish. A strange shape from the deep blue. Pufferfish. What does this U symbol mean? Looks like an alien creature drifting through space. Blue glaucus. Punch. Who do these ending legs reach up to 12 feet? That is nightmare fuel. What animal is a thorny skin made for desert survival? Thorny desert. Whoa, too fast? Take a deep breath. Okay, focus. Round 2. The silhouette of a legendary unicorn from the mountains of Asia. Saola. This back looks incredibly solid and tough. Wombat. This tail looks very handy for grabbing onto branches. Binturong. These spiral horns look majestic against the cliffside. Markhor. These messy patches are actually a very tactical design. African wild dog. A direct look into the mouth of doom. Black mamba. A crown and a reptile. Who could it be? King cobra. A signature white patch in the blue water. Orca. You cannot mistake that egg-shaped face for anything else. Bull terrier. Those ear tufts make it look like a wild lynx. Maine Coon. Neck check. Tilt your head left and right. Feeling loose? Here comes the tiny world. This wrinkled skin belongs to a very unique feline. Sphinx cat. Neon spots popping off a dark background. Harlequin toad. These scales look like they were sewn on like beads. Gila monster. A very sharp divide between black and white. Malayan tapir. This fish carries a whole lot of energy. Electric eel. A colorful performance to scare off enemies. Frilled lizard. Sharp teeth meant for a very specific type of meal. Vampire bat. This longsword is a deadly weapon under the sea. Swordfish. These long claws make digging for snacks a breeze. Sloth bear. This nose looks like an underwater vacuum cleaner. Dugong. What are these 22 pink tentacles for? Star-nosed mole. Massive plates inside a giant mouth. Blue whale. This fish looks just like a brick underwater. Stonefish. This pastel pink shell looks so soft and cute. Pink fairy armadillo. This thick fur under the paws helps it walk on ice. Arctic fox. Thirsty? Grab a sip of water quickly. Refreshed? Final stretch. This pouch under the neck looks a little weird, right? Marabou stork. Giant eyes that take up almost the whole face. Tarsier. A mix of coarse fur and sharp spines on its back. Short-beaked echidna. These barbed quills are a serious defensive weapon. Lowland streaked tenrec. White polka dots on a brown coat. Quall. A creature that looks like drifting leaves. Leafy sea dragon. This mane of feathers looks so powerful. Philippine eagle. This honeycomb pattern on the skin is so intricate. Parenti. A biological lantern from the deep sea. Anglerfish. Large cloud-like patterns on its coat. Clouded leopard. A kangaroo that actually lives in the trees. Tree kangaroo. Long black ear tufts are its signature look. Caracal. This stubby tail is where it gets its name. Bobcat. A mane around the neck that looks just like a lion's. Tibetan Mastiff. Last question. Who is this rainbow-colored bird? Macaw. A vibrant finish to our challenge today. Wow, 60 quiz challenges went by in a flash. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who the real Animal King is. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next challenge from Funny Quiz. Peace out and see y'all next time.